Welcome to the Cisco Security Architecture Specialization Training Series. This is Module Number 1. The purpose of this training series is to provide an overview of Cisco's security framework, customer needs, and competitor solutions to arm you with the knowledge to address customer issues in the field. Upon completion of the training modules and the following exam, you will be awarded the Cisco Security Architecture Specialization. Details of the specialization and its related benefits can be found on our website. There are two paths of training to achieve a Cisco specialization, one for account managers and one for systems engineers, that span across 4 areas: create customer interest, build the case, transact and support, and additional electives. This flowchart shows the progression each role must take in order to achieve specialization. The first modules and the final series module are identical for both roles. At the end of this module, account managers and systems engineers should be able to demonstrate knowledge of the need for a unified security framework, the value Cisco's security framework brings to customers, how components of Cisco's security framework fit together, and how components alleviate customer challenges. In this course, we will cover customer challenges, trends and business drivers, value to the business, Cisco Unified Security Architecture Framework, and Cisco Security Framework elements. Cisco Security Architecture 101. This is Module 1 for both account managers and systems engineers. Technology brings great advances to a business, but with these advances come advanced problems. Security used to be composed of separate solutions. Everything inside the firewall was safe, while everything outside was a potential threat. Email security kept out harmful files while allowing appropriate email through the firewall into the inbox. Web security enabled safe internet use by regulating sites and files and blocking malicious attacks. Usage control was as simple as blocking URLs from suspicious sites and regulating files or file types that employees could access and download. And remote access was simply an employee sitting at home on a secure network connecting inside the firewall with a virtual private network. But today, individual security solutions are no longer able to address the advances in attacks brought on by newer technology. While email security continues to block email malware, threats are becoming more advanced. Seemingly harmless emails can still contain links to URLs riddled with malware and susceptible to malicious attacks. In the past, email attacks were easy to spot based on file origin, file type, and language used. Now, malicious email uses personal information from sites like LinkedIn and Facebook to bypass scanners and reach the inbox. While web security solutions filter known threats better than ever, new advanced malware can come in undetected as a file part. Threats are not just single entities anymore. They are connected threats that hide in plain sight and are missed by point-in-time detection. With companies leveraging and using social media, simply blocking entire sites is no longer practical. Instead, we look to block certain aspects, such as games and videos, while allowing posts, likes, and messages. Now, remote access consists of many users, many devices in many locations. Employees, partners, and contractors using tablets, laptops, and phones are exchanging information and requesting different levels of network access. Combine this with cloud storage, virtual networks, and third-party applications, and suddenly there is a tremendous amount of data flowing in and out of the network at all times, and the situation is only going to get more complicated. Threats continue to evolve. This, combined with ever-increasing data requirements and ever-changing regulations and laws, creates the need for a flexible, scalable solution that updates automatically. A continuously updating solution is the best defense against fast-evolving threats that are making headlines every day. Hacking is an occupation now, and according to the annual security report, 95% of large companies are targeted by malicious traffic. Regardless of size, Every organization out there interacts with websites that host malware in some form. And threats are coming from unexpected places. For instance, hackers recently used a Chinese restaurant's online takeout menu to download code onto the phones of employees at a large oil company. This gave the hackers the ability to infiltrate the company's network from the inside. In the recent Target security issues, hackers broke in via the HVAC company. But these large companies have sophisticated security solutions. So how do attackers still get in? The problem stems from the way the security solutions are built. Traditional fragmented security can't cut it anymore. As businesses become more complex, individual components are pieced together to meet current business needs. But this process leads to complex management and security gaps. But at Cisco, we don't settle for security solutions less than stellar. We believe that our customers deserve more. That's why we strive to deliver the best security on the planet. And while we can't guarantee a totally impenetrable solution, we can guarantee an environment that promotes protection, control, and flexibility. That's why only Cisco delivers a comprehensive solution framework that spans across the environment. This is Cisco's framework today, categorized into 3 main sections: content, network, and access. The content security solution focuses on email and web security, while network security focuses on firewalls and intrusion prevention systems. Access security controls the number of different endpoints on and off campus and provides policy control. As you can see, Cisco's framework covers all parts of the environment. There are various solutions in each category, while management and intelligence capabilities are available across the infrastructure. While this infrastructure and the individual solution architectures work to protect and control today, changing needs and changing threats call for something greater. That's why Cisco strives for an even more robust and comprehensive architecture in the future. It begins at the infrastructure level, the existing infrastructure. Cisco adds new solutions and capabilities to current Cisco platforms and setups. On top of the customer infrastructure lies the security platform, which includes appliances, virtual appliances, and cloud services. Many of these appliances and services may already be owned and used by the customer. If not, they can be added quickly and seamlessly into the infrastructure. Each of these security solutions has flexible deployment options in order to best meet customers' immediate and future needs. The security solutions are built on top of the security platforms. Like the platforms, solutions fall into content, network, and access categories. Third-party security apps are enabled by the application level and can rest on top of the infrastructure and security platforms through custom application programming interfaces. The last piece of the architecture is the overarching management and intelligent capabilities, including management solutions such as Cisco Security Manager, Firesight, and Adaptive Security Device Manager. These provide insight into the environment and control of the security applications platforms. The different options ensure that customers have exactly what they need to optimize their business environment. A small business with a single firewall may only need to use the included firewall management solution, while large enterprises with more complicated infrastructures may opt for a more robust management solution. The entire architecture is connected to Cisco's Security Intelligence Operations, a global intelligence solution that monitors and updates devices every 3 to 5 minutes with new threat protections and policies to ensure maximum protection. The combination of this comprehensive architecture offers the greatest value across the entire business. Cisco delivers advanced threat protection that defends before, during, and after attacks occur. Beyond the single focus of threat prevention, Cisco also provides robust control across the environment. Customers gain broad visibility across the network, endpoints, mobile devices, and cloud. They can see who requests access, when it is requested, and what content is visited or downloaded. Finally, Cisco delivers flexibility across the entire business. Customers can integrate with existing security and network infrastructures and scale effectively as their businesses grow. Let's look at some individual features that contribute to this overarching value. Cisco's security framework enables customers to detect and stop advanced threats throughout the entire threat lifecycle. We provide unique threat protection that actually integrates with the network. It spans infrastructure, appliances, and the cloud to bring a built-in security services orchestration layer. Advanced malware can hide in customers' networks, but is missed by point-in-time detection. Cisco security applications continuously scan the environment and analyze outputs to gain a more comprehensive view of potential threats. Cisco has the ability to watch all files and all of the network I/O while continuously logging against analysis systems in the cloud. As a result of continuously analyzing all network data, combined with data generated from other Cisco tools around the world, Cisco provides faster threat identification. Its email security alone can identify and block threats 13 hours faster on average than competitors. Not only can we see large amounts of data, but we use our analysis to deliver the most automated security intelligence updates to protect against whatever new threats are out there. All of Cisco's security appliances compile information around the world through cloud-based threat intelligence. This global monitoring gives us the ability to aggregate unique context awareness that no one can get solely by relying on specific security devices to provide information. Cisco Security Intelligence Operations Center is a globally aware and distributed data center that assesses global threat patterns, reputations, and malware outbreaks, and then dynamically updates all of Cisco's security devices. If threats are detected inside of the environment, Cisco provides enhanced remediation by determining the scope of the damage to the network, containing the event, and remediating to bring operations back to normal. Only Cisco provides these unique capabilities that provide protection and control before, during, and after attacks. Beyond threat protection, Cisco enables customers to control their environment and set consistent policies. Cisco provides the fastest device policy updates across the environment to endpoints and roaming devices of any manufacturer. In addition to policy updates, Cisco delivers better control of data. We provide data loss prevention and have more than 100 predefined policies that align to government, private sector, and individual company policies. Cisco Identity Services Engine provides customers the ability to create granular access policies based on user and device type, and then apply those policies uniformly across wired, wireless, and remote access connections. Not only can you determine exactly who is on the network, but Cisco also delivers more granular acceptable use control of web applications, safeguarding, and regulating employees. Customers can block URLs of sites with known dangers or inappropriate content while merely limiting features and file types on other sites. For example, they can allow employees to like posts and update statuses for social media while restricting games and video content. This not only minimizes employee distractions, but it also enables customers to maximize their bandwidth utilization by regulating large data streams. Cisco provides the only comprehensive policy enforcement tool. Cisco Centralized Management enables customers to set unified policies across the entire environment without the complexity of using multiple independent management solutions. In addition to the network and IT environment, Cisco delivers value for the business as a whole, enabling customers to grow and adapt to business changes. Cisco provides the ability to scale and adjust to the changing environment. Our security framework spans across the infrastructure, security appliances, and the cloud, delivered on a robust and familiar platform. Cisco platforms are open and agile, integrating with third-party applications and tools, and customizable to meet changing business needs. This keeps you from simply adding another appliance on top of the infrastructure with each new innovation, helping prevent the fragmentation problem shown earlier. In addition to scalability, Cisco provides better economics across the environment. Cisco security solutions work together, and they keep working. Low maintenance and easy integration increase customers' value per dollar. Building on top of the better economics and lower TCO of Cisco's security framework, we provide more flexible deployment options, including physical, virtual, and cloud options for many of our solutions. This means that customers can meet immediate needs while planning for the future, and can utilize existing infrastructure without having to purchase an entirely new setup. From threat protection to environment control to business flexibility, Cisco's comprehensive security solution framework provides the greatest value for any business. Thank you. The next module you will be taking is either A2, Security Architecture Solutions for Account Managers, or T2, Security Architecture Solutions for System Engineers.